Good morning from Jember, and my last day here. Today I'm gonna hop on a bus and I'm heading to Bali finally. A month and 2 weeks after being in Indonesia, I'm finally going to Bali. Well, I need to go extend my visa and take care of some business, so that's why I'm going to Bali. Don't plan on staying there too long, but we'll get to that later. Yeah, this is what I'm having for breakfast. Ibnu's mom cooked me up some pisang goreng, so fried bananas. Nice and hot. And some of Ibnu's coffee. Oh man, his coffee is good. Again, this will be a new video, so I'll post a link to his Instagram. Order some of his coffee. You won't regret it, I promise you.
There are 10, I think, order coming in Jakarta, whatever, until we stop again, until Bobby's mom help me again.
Ini apa?
Ikan.
Ikan, okay. So, ikan, some fish.
Ikan laut.
Wrapped in a banana leaf. Ooh, looks like a tamale.
Masih panas.
Panas? Okay. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Only one.
Cukup.
Cukup. Yeah. My favorite word in Indonesian. Cukup. Cukup. Okay. Or maybe just some water. Let me get my water. One thing Indonesians like, apparently, is a big breakfast. They can eat rice and, fried noodles and chicken curry and some heavy stuff in the morning. I'm like, man, just give me some bread and some fruit. Yes. Oh, terima kasih. Thank you. Should give me some water. So nice. Let's see here. What do you call this fish?
It's Pepes.
Pepes is the name of the fish?
No.
Or the name of how it's prepared?
Yeah.
Wrapped in banana leaves and is that sambal?
The sauce is like this.
Yeah. Enak. Not too fishy or anything. I mean, it tastes good. The red sauce isn't spicy at all, but it's pretty subtle. Damn, that's pretty good. I can do that. Hello, Mom and Dad.
Hello, Hello, Mr. Bob. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, don't worry. You just doing small stuff.
Yeah, everyone here is staying busy. Ibnu's over here roasting coffee. His brother's over here working on the little cart over here that they're going to use, and then his mom's over there picking out some of the beans from the coffee. So, and I'm over here just being lazy. It looks good. I'll show you. They got some of the side paneling up, some of the wood. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. Some freshly roasted coffee.
That smells good.
Oh, it smells so good.
Have some for me.
I'll drink plenty of coffee for you. I'll try to send some home for you. I'm working. I'm filming. Yeah, this is my work. One more time.
Ini tangannya. Tas dulu sama omnya. Ini.
Tas. Come on. Ooh, ow! Whoa, that was a strong one. One more. Satu lagi. Oh, whoa! So this boy's name is Nick. And he was at the kindergarten yesterday, but he was one of the shy ones. And he just kind of, stayed to the side. But he had to come back today and say hello. See you. One more. Hey, all right. So, and that's the teacher right there. And she was saying all the kids today were asking, "Where's Mr. Nick? Where's Mr. Nick?" I was sleeping. See ya. Okay, so you want me to ride in the back?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Enough for 500 kilos.
It's enough for 500 kilos, okay.
Yeah.
Well, how is this holding up? Is this good?
It's good.
Nice and strong rubber here?
Very strong.
Very strong?
Yep. You have to put you like 100 kilos.
Okay. Let's do it.
Hold on.
Okay. Slowly. Of course. Oh, how's that rubber doing? Oh, popped. Oh, not a good idea. It already popped. No, it came off, look. Yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. Do what?
When it pop up, let me know again. Okay, I can do very slow. Okay. Easy. Come on.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Get it.
Famous last words.
Hospital is very near here. You don't need to worry.
Abonai! Abonaknai! Abonaknai! Arigato! Nice and slow, nice and slow. Keeping an eye on that rubber right there. Right turn. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Great idea right here. Great idea.
Are you okay?
I'm all right. Oh, another turn. That rubber stretching. Oh. Don't fall off the bike, Ibnu. You getting close? Yeah, man, I'm in the Indonesian squat position. Yeah. You want to know how I've been taking care of business in the toilet at Ibnu's house? Just like this. Oh. Ooh, nice suspension. It's good. Nice bounce to it. Yeah. Whoa. The rubbers. Watch out. Stop. You're gonna. Oh. It's starting to come off. Oh, and it comes apart. How far are we from there?
Close.
We're close. Just gonna tie it back on.
Need the thick one. It's too thin.
Yeah, right. You need to take this back too.
Huh?
You gonna take this back to your house later on? You on the seat?
Yep.
Okay. That's the first time I've ever smiled at a Obachan, and she didn't smile back. I smiled at her, I waved at her, and she was just eyeing me down nope, not gonna work on me, white boy.
Here.
Oh yeah, I'm close.
Stop.
We almost made it.
Made it here. How stop. This is
Now that's an old bike.
war.
Wow, that's a warrior right there. Jeez. Ooh, the banana man. So I think Ibnu needed to bring this over here to drill a couple holes in, or to burn a couple holes through the metal. And that's what he's doing right now. Ini apa? What's this? Wow. For what? To drill, like in the ground? Dang. And so you take it to this guy. He'll take care of it for you. Okay. Can we stop?
Yep. This.
Okay.
This is a graveyard here.
This is the graveyard where your father's buried, along with some of your other family? Yeah?
I made this.
Do what? You made what?
This.
You made this?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
the well.
And the well.
This one. And there.
Uh-huh.
Just connected to the pump over there.
Oh, nice.
You
Okay. And so you come here,
come here
and then you wash your
feet,
hands or your feet?
whatever, after we finish the recipe.
Okay.
You know, like this?
Kind of like a shrine in Japan in a way,
Yes.
I guess.
Yeah.
You wash your hands and clean yourself.
And then my father. Yes.
This is your father's?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I made this.
Did you?
Yeah, this one.
That's nice, man. Unfortunately, I never got to meet Ibnu's father. I would have loved to. He has an incredible son, that's for sure. Wow. So I've noticed they're all really short.
Yep.
Like they're all really compact.
This long.
Yeah, okay, it's actually really long, but this
The headstone is.
isn't the foot and the head.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Actually, the type is like this normally,
Mhm.
but I just create by myself.
I like that.
That's why nobody's will be.
What's it? Jaminji?
Jamini.
Jami.
Yes.
1941.
It's long life, man. From 70. 80.
80. Yeah.
80. But
And your family is buried here too?
yeah, all my family.
All separated out?
But spread it out.
Okay.
It's my grandmother.
So some people, plant plants on their graves, and
It's my grandmother.
this is your grandmother?
This is grandmother.
Okay. And you made this too?
Yeah. I made this too.
Wow. Your mom's mom or dad's mom?
My mom's.
Your mom's mom? I'm sure she was very pretty too. Grandma's pretty, your sister's pretty, Ayu's pretty. Pretty family. Ibnu, I don't know what happened to you though. I'm just kidding. Filter?
Because there is a big trees here.
Uh-huh.
Before. The trees was in my place.
There was a big what?
The big trees here. Big.
Tree?
Yeah, tree.
Yeah.
This big.
Oh,
This big. And then there was a.
that's where you took the tree from here?
Yes.
And all that wood is now in the back of your
Yes,
house?
yes. Last night my brother saw you.
Yeah, that was the
Yeah,
tree,
from
huh?
here.
It came from here.
Yeah, they go from here.
Wow.
US. Dia. Ini mas ya. They came from here.
Huge, old, big old tree.
This the one is the rest of the branch from
Okay, and I guess they chopped it up and divvied it up, and some of it's now at Ibnu's house.
because they gave it for free
Yeah.
for stuff for my stuff.
Okay.
So instead I make this.
Okay. So in return for giving you the tree, you did all this for them?
Yeah, this
I see.
the well.
Okay, the well? Okay.
This one all together. The four.
Wow, this is talented man, Ibnu, talented man. He's like, oh, I did this, I built this. You can do anything. Last coconut in Jember.